In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover GoTyme Bank account without phone number. Now, to actually recover your GoTyme Bank account without your phone number, you'll need to do one of the following things. You basically have to contact their support, but you have multiple options. So the easiest way is just to go to their website, which is gotyme.com, and then you go to the very bottom over here of their website where you can see it says contact us. You can click on that over here, and then you can contact them via this form over here where you have to just type in your name, your email, your phone number, and then your general inquiry, and then your message as well. You can also attach an image if you want to and press submit, and they'll get back to you to your email. Or you can scroll down, and here it says you can contact them via their in-app chat, which, by the way, if you have the access to the app, which I'm assuming you don't because you likely haven't gotten your account because you're trying to recover it, but if you have the app, you can go ahead and use the app chat, or you can email them to this email over here, or dial them to their hotline, which is this one over here. So go ahead, call them, leave them a message on email, or use this form up here, and then just let them know that basically you would want to recover your GoTyme Bank account, but you don't have your phone number. What can you do? And then they will help you, they'll get back to you, and they will help you solve your issue and recover your account. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.